What's up, guys? So I order. Anyways, first of all, I had my flashlight and I lost the charger. These are a chargeable flashlight battery. You can see it. These are called Streamlight. And these are very responsible. These are very expensive flashlights, and I lost the charger for it, so I ordered it on Amazon. And here my daughter has it on her hand in her hand right now. She's gonna open it. All right, baby, open it.
I'm gonna get it
And show the people what the charger look like. What's your finger? You want Daddy to cut it? Here.
Yeah, you cut
Let me see it. Oh boy, this is all bad. Okay, Daddy had to open it because this girl, I'm scared. So let's see what the charger look like, Naya. What do we got?
So we got this, whatever we don't need that.
What? Like, what is it? Oh, this one came with it. I think this is the receipt or whatever I paid for it. Yeah, this is the receipt, and there's the charger right there. And there's supposed to be another piece, baby.
There is?
Yeah. There you go. So this piece, this one goes to the outlet, and this is the one for. This one is for to hook the flashlight onto it. All right, girl, rip it open.
Yes.
We'll put it together, and then we're gonna charge the flashlight, and we'll see what's up. These one came with there's 2 screws right here. So you got 2 options. You can just leave it on the counter or anywhere, just let it sit it down, or you can also mount it to the wall. Some people like to mount their charger to the wall, but for me, I don't think I need to do that. But we'll see. We're gonna charge it. So this one, the flashlight is gonna go on there. There's 2 attached charger on the side. They just go right into it. Just snatch right in there like that. Just like that. Let me show you guys. It's a little rough. There we go. Boom. And then it's connected. Girl, what? What are you doing? You don't use the scissor. What's wrong with you? That thing, you just gotta twist it, baby. Here. All right. See? Look. Just twist it. Yes, girl. Oh my goodness. Somebody help me.
Yeah.
All right. And that one. Let's remove the flashlight off of. I'll try with your finger. And then that one. That part goes right there. You got it?
How do you put it in?
Positive to positive and negative to negative. Okay. It's supposed to go in. Let me see. There you go, right there. Hold on to that, baby. Over here. Let's see. Oh boy.
This is getting troubles, guys.
This is good. All right, let me see. This one's supposed to turn this way. All right. Push that side. Push it in, baby. Harder, harder, harder.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy, hold on. We finally got it. Jeez.
15 years later.
I know. It was a little difficult to get in there, but I like it. I like it when it's like tight like that, so it doesn't come loose easily. So we're gonna go charge that. Naya, you can put that in hook that up in the outlet. Plug it in the outlet. What? Come. Hold on, baby. Let me see. All right, you gonna plug that in the outlet. It's plugged in, and then you see the red light. The red light's supposed to be flashing. And then you just gotta hook this up to here. Snatch that bad boy in there. Boom.
And then how is it supposed to charge?
The red light is you'll know when it's fully charged if the
red light.
Once the red light turns green. It's not coming on right now. Hold on. Gotta have to they need to push it up a little bit. Oh boy, hold on. There you have it, folks. So you can just let it sit on there until the light turns green. Once the light turns green, then that means it's fully charged. All right, so I'm gonna put the link on the bottom of this video. You guys go ahead and click on it. I think the charger runs around something like between $30 and $40. Not bad for Streamlight Flashlight, because these are very, very expensive flashlight. So click on the link or comment down below if you guys have any questions.
Bye.
Peace out.
Peace.